Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure IBM Watson Analytics, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the IBM Watson Analytics website. If you don't already have an account, click on the sign up link. Fill in your personal details and create your account. Log in to your IBM Watson Analytics account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here you will see various options for data analysis. Click on the Get Started button to begin your configuration process. Next, you'll need to upload your data file. Choose the appropriate file type, such as CSV or Excel. Select the data file from your computer and click Open. Wait for the system to process the upload. After the upload is complete, you will be taken to the data preparation interface. Review your dataset to ensure all required fields are present. Make any necessary adjustments, such as renaming columns or changing data types. Once satisfied, click on the Next button to proceed. In the next screen, select the type of analysis you would like to perform. You can choose from options like predicting outcomes or identifying trends. After selecting your analysis type, click Next to continue. Now, configure the parameters for your chosen analysis. Fill in any required fields or specifications for the visualization. Once you have set your parameters, click on Run to generate your analysis. The platform will take a moment to process your request. After processing, you will see the results displayed in various formats. Explore the visualizations created from your data. You can modify these visualizations as needed. To save your work, click on the Save button. Name your project and determine the location for saving it. If you want to share your results, select the Share options provided. You can generate a report or share a link for collaboration. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.